know sometimes things may not always make sense to you right now. But hey, what daddy always tell you, straighten up, little son.